Hello guys, again my name is Andrew of course, and today we have another unboxing. Yep, this is the Parkside Cordless Jigsaw model PSTKA 12A1. It's a 12 lithium volt battery, 2 ampere hours. It is 2 states, pendulum action and fine adjustments, etc, etc. We have some accessories inside. Wood saw blade, a metal saw blade, an anti-splitter guard, 1 parallel stop, 1 hex key, 1 adapter for external dust extraction, 3 years warranty from Lidl, saw lock, switch made, okay, it charges the battery to 60 minutes from 0 to full charging. So here's some pictures. Let's see what we have inside, of course, because this is an unboxing. Okay, let's open it. Some paper. Here is the plastic case. It's okay, very durable, do the job. And we have some safety here. And here it is. We have the charger. Have some manual here. Have 2 blades, metal and wood, and an Allen key. Definitely we are going to try it. It feels light, so heavy. Here it is for your vacuum cleaner. We have adjustable 1 to 6. This is for, oh, this is the button, sorry. Okay, this is on 6, and this is the 2 states for pendulum action. Means this here, and we have the battery, 12 volt. Is it charged? Yes, it is charged, and let's give it a try. Okay, we have this plastic protective here. Here it goes. This to cut straight lines. Screw those. And insert them. And then you can adjust how much you want to cut. Tight it. Next you can release that and insert the blade you want to try it. In my situation it is good. Accessories you can find on Lidl of this in every hardware store. And here is how to put it inside. Okay, release it and insert it. For your own safety, it's better to release the battery to change your blade. Sorry for I forget it. Then in one it's okay. And let's put the plastic again. Doesn't matter, it doesn't have to take out the plastic to insert the new blade. Okay, that's all. Let's give it a try. Okay, here we are, and let's try it, how it's cutting. It is on 6th position. And it's very smoothly has cut the wood. Let's see a closer look. And here it is. With no problemo. And that was all, guys, the video of this Parkside Jigsaw for the model PSTKA 12 volt. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my video is your choice, but definitely hit the notification bell because more videos are coming and you don't want to miss it. And share this video, you never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye. Happy New Year.